Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you how you can make a drawing animation in Blender. This is an example of what we're going to make in this video. To make this, add a black grease pencil, go to draw mode, draw what you want, now in object mode, right click, convert to path. Now add a plane in edit mode, scale it on the x-axis, press 2 on the keyboard, select this edge, extrude it, and again press M on the keyboard, merge at center, scale this edge down, press 3 on the keyboard, select this face, add a new material, emission, set the color to orange, copy that material, assign it to this face, change the color, and do it again. Great. Now in edit mode, select this vertex, Shift X, cursor to selected. Now in object mode, right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Now Shift S, cursor to world origin. Alt G. In edit mode, press A on the keyboard to select all of the vertices. And when you have this vertex selected, go here, active element, great. Now add an empty, select the pencil, go to object constraint properties, add an object constraint, track to, select the empty, great. Now select the empty, add an object constraint of follow path. Choose your path, animate path. Now select the pencil, I add child off again. And there we go. Now I choose Grease Pencil and go to Modifier Properties and Modifier of Build. But there's a problem here, and the problem is that the pencil enters the grease pencil. To fix that, just select the grease pencil, move it down a bit, and this is how you can make a drawing animation in Blender. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.